In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive 404 not found. A 404 error usually means the link you're opening doesn't point to a valid location anymore, or your browser is sending a bad request. We'll walk through clear checks to get you back into your file quickly, and I'll add helpful context so you understand why each step matters. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Drive. You can also type drive.google.com directly into the address bar. This ensures you're landing on the official Google Drive homepage rather than a cached or mistyped link. In the search results, make sure you click the correct link from Google with the exact domain drive.google.com. Avoid similar-looking domains, ads, or third-party sites. A small typo or an unexpected redirect can easily trigger a 404. If you're prompted to sign in, log into your Google account. Double-check that you're using the same account that should have access to the file. If you have multiple Google accounts, switch to the one that owns or was shared on the document. Sometimes access issues or account mismatches can look like a broken link. Next, verify the link itself wasn't copied incorrectly. If you got the URL from an email or chat, expand it fully before copying. Avoid grabbing a shortened version with an ellipsis. Remove any extra spaces at the end, and make sure no characters are missing. A single dropped letter in the file ID can cause a 404. Open a private browsing window, like incognito or private mode, and paste the link there. If it loads in private mode but not in your regular window, your cache or a browser extension is interfering. That points us to your local browser rather than Google Drive. Clear your browser's cookies and cache from the history or privacy settings. Choose cached images and files, and cookies for at least the recent time range. Be aware this will sign you out of most sites. After clearing, close and reopen the browser and try the link again. This wipes outdated data that may be sending you to an old file location. If the link still fails, open Google Drive and check the trash on the left sidebar. If the file is there, right-click and choose Restore. Remember, deleted files typically remain in trash for 30 days before being permanently removed. Finally, confirm the file's exact location. If it was moved to a restricted folder or a different shared drive, old links can break. Find the file in its current location, right-click, select Share, and generate a fresh link with the right permissions. That new link should resolve the 404 and get you back on track.